Maybe you'll be the one to turn the pirates around and make them not terrible.
Helmet.
You want a helmet? Do you want your bike helmet?
Can you hit the ball, Wish?
Yeah.
I can get you your bike helmet. You want it? Bob?
What's that?
Hit it one more time.
No. What big shot?
You want to do a great shot?
No big shot.
You're going to do a big one?
Do this big one on there.
What are you doing? I know. Look at that sunflower. You going to hit it into the sunflower?